In this case, if we ask maximum value, find minimum value of denominator, then substitute here, we get the maximum value. If we ask minimum value, find the maximum value of denominator, then substitute in denominator, 3 by denominator, something we get 3. So here we ask, find the maximum value. So find the minimum maximum value we required for f of x. Now we have to find the minimum value of denominator. That is minimum value of denominator is c minus root over a square plus b square. We know this formula. Here c is constant function 19 minus root over a is coefficient of cos x minus 4 whole square 144 plus b square b is sin x sin theta coefficient, that is 5 square. 144 plus 25 is 169. Root 169 is 13, becomes 19 minus 36. So therefore, now the maximum value of f of x is equal to 3 by minimum value of denominator. What is minimum value of denominator? 6. So 1 by 3. If you ask the minimum value of f of x, then you have to find the maximum value of the denominator. So maximum value of the denominator becomes c plus root over a square plus b square, that becomes 19 plus 12 becomes 32. So 3 by 32, that becomes the result required value. Cos of x plus 5 by 6 into cos of x minus 5 by 6. Cos x plus 5 by 6 into cos x minus 5 by 6. Clearly is of the form cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. What is cos a plus b into cos a minus b formula? Cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square a minus sin square b. That is equal to cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So given function clearly is of the form cos a plus b into cos a minus b. So apply the formula. Then f of x becomes cos square a minus sin square b. Cos square x minus sin square b. Sin square pi by 6. That becomes cos square x minus sin square pi by 6. Pi by 6 is 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 2. Now what we require, the range of this function. So for that we know that 0 less than or equal to cos square x less than or equal to 1. We know that the sin square x and cos square x value lies between 0 to 1. So apply that, consider that condition. So from this derive the f of x. So subtract minus 1 by 4 here. 0 minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to cos square x minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. So 0 minus 1 by 4 is minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to cos square x minus 1 by 4 is f of x only. F of x less than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 by taking 4 LCM we get 3 by 4 minus 1. So the range of x is equal to minimum value to maximum value. Minimum value is minus 1 by 4 and maximum value is 3 by 4. Closed intervals both are equal to cos square x plus sin power 4x. Cos square x plus sin power 4x. Now cos square x write as 1 minus sin square x. Since cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta plus sin power 4x. That is equal to 1 minus sin square x plus sin power 4x. Bring minus sin square x down. Then remains 1 minus sin square x. In plus we taken minus common, then minus remains. So again here 1 minus sin square theta, 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus sin square x is cos x. Convert it into single function. For that, you write 1 minus. Multiply and divide it for the second function, second term. Then it becomes 1 by 4 into 4 into sin square x cos square x. 4 write as 2 square. So 2 square sin square cos square write like this. 2 sin x cos x whole square. That is 1 minus 1 by 4. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta only. So sin 2x whole square, that means sin square theta. Here also we know that sin square theta or cos square theta value lies between 0 less than or equal to sin square 2x less than or equal to 1. So from this derive the function f of x. First we have to multiply. First we have to multiply with minus 1 by 4. 0 into minus 1 by 4, 0. If you multiply or divide with negative sign, the inequality will changes. So less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to minus 1 by 4 sin square 2x. Sin square 2x greater than or equal to minus 1 by 4 into 1 is minus 1 by 4. But we require 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2x. So add 1 on both sides. 1 plus 0 is 1 greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 sin square 2x is greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4. That is 1 greater than or equal to f of x is greater than or equal to 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. So rewrite like this: 3 by 4 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 1. So range of f of x is 3 by 4 comma 1 close brackets. Sin power 6x plus cos power 6x. For x belongs to R, then f of x lies in the interval. X also lies in the interval or range. Both are same. So here we require the range of. For this simplify like this: sin power 6x write as sin square x whole cube plus cos power 6x write as cos square x whole cube. Clearly is of the form a cube plus b cube. This is b and this is a cube plus b. We know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now apply the formula for f of x. So f of x becomes a plus b. A is sin square x, b is cos square x. Substitute here: sin square x plus cos square x into a square. A is sin square x. Square means sin square x whole square minus ab minus sin square x into cos square x plus b square. B is cos x, cos square x. So b square is cos square x whole square. Here we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 into that value only now f of x becomes. Observe here, the second bracket clearly is of the form 1 of the term a square plus b square. Consider it as a and it as b. We know that one of the formula for a square plus b square, or what is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus 2ab plus b square. From this derive the formula for a square plus b square. We require a square plus b square means 2ab bring that side becomes a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. This is the formula for a square plus b square. One of the formula a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. Apply that formula for sin square x plus cos square x whole sin square x whole square cos square x whole square. So a plus b whole square, a means sin square x plus b means cos square x whole square minus 2ab minus 2 into a value is sin square x, b value is cos square. This is formula for first and last term. The middle term remains same like it said. Right, it's sin square x into cos square x. Again we have the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So 1 square is 1 only, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 terms minus 3 sin square x cos square x. So that is, so 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 can divide with 4. 4 write as 2 square. So 2 into sin square x cos square x. Sorry, 2 into sin x cos x whole square. That is 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2x whole square sin square 2x. Sin square 2x is less than or equal to 1. From this derive the function f of x. First multiply with minus 3 by 4. 0 into minus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 greater than or equal to minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 4. Again we get 1 minus 3 by 4. For that add 1 on both sides. 1 is greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x is greater than or equal to 1 minus 3. So 1 is greater than or equal to f of x is greater than or equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4. So write it like this: 1 by 4 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 1. So the range of f of x becomes 1 by 4 comma 1. The function f of x is equal to 2 sin square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta. 2 sin square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta. Sin square and cosecant square are reciprocal. We know that one of the formula here. We know that a square sin square theta, the range of. We know that the range of a square sin square theta plus b square cosecant square theta, or a square cos square theta plus b square reciprocal of cos secant square theta, or a square tan square theta reciprocal of tan cot. So a square b square cot square theta. The range of a square sin square b square cosecant square, a square cos square b square secant square, a square tan square plus b square cot square is 2ab comma infinity. So that means minimum value is exist. That minimum value is 2ab. Maximum value is not defined infinity. Here what we ask, find the least or minimum value. So minimum value of f of x. So minimum value of f of x is equal to 2ab. That is a value. A square sin square theta. A square means 2 right as root 2 1 square. A becomes root 2 into b. B square is 4. That means b is into 2. So root 2 into 2 root 2 into root 2. That becomes 4 root 2. Let the function given function f of x is equal to root 3 sin x plus cos x. If root 3 sin x plus cos x have maximum value, then find the x value. Yes. For that, find f dash x, that is the derivative of f of x. Root 3 into sin x derivation cos x plus cos x into d by dx of cos x is minus sin x. So f dash x becomes root 3 cos x minus sin x. In maximum minimum we learn for minimum value or maximum value f dash x becomes 0. For minimum value or maximum value, for minimum or maximum, f dash x becomes 0. That means what is f dash x here? Root 3 cos x minus sin x equal to 0. From this, root 3 cos x is equal to sin x. Bring cos x that side, becomes sin x by cos x becomes root 3. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Tan x is root 3. For what value of 2 and we get root 3 is 60 degrees or 5 degrees. So x becomes 5 by 3. Let 5 sin x plus 12 sin y equal to some integer k. And given function, what is given equation? 5 cos x plus 12 cos y equal to 30. Squaring and adding here. Squaring and adding the above equations. First square the first equation. A plus b whole square. That means a square 25 sin square x plus b square 12 square sin square y and 44 sin square y plus 2ab 2 into 5 10 120 sin x sin y equal to a square. And the second equation. So a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square 25 cos square x plus b square 144 cos square y plus 2ab 2 into 5 into 12 120 cos x cos y equal to 13 square 169. Now adding, squaring is over. Now adding 25 sin square x plus 25 cos square x. From these two 25 common. So 25 into sin square x plus cos square x becomes 1. Plus in these two terms, 1 for the 4 sin square y, 1 for the 4 cos square y. Bring 1 for the 4 common. Then sin square y plus cos square y becomes 1. Plus 120. From this remaining two terms, bring 120 common. Clearly is above observe here. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b plus sin a sin b becomes cos of x minus y is equal to k square plus 169. 25 plus 1 for 4 is 169. 169 and 169 gets cancelled both sides. Then remains k square equal to 120 into cos of x minus y. From this, k value is k equal root over 120 into root over cos of x minus y. Clearly is of the root cos theta. Root cos theta means cos theta is always positive. Cos theta value lies between actually minus 1 less than or equal to cos theta less than or equal to. But here we have root cos theta. Root cos theta means always positive. So it becomes always positive. So that means positive interval in this is 0 less than or equal to root over cos of x minus y less than or equal to 1. Minus 1 to 1. The positive values are 0 to 1. So here we have minus 1, sorry, root over minus root over 120. Root over multiply with root over 120. 0 into anything 0. Less than or root over 120 into cos of x minus y becomes f of x. That means k is less than or equal to 1 into root 120 becomes root 1. So minimum value is 0 and maximum value is minus root 120. Here he asks maximum value. Maximum value is root 120 and minimum value is 0.